Remember this? This is a plumping lip gloss that I received in my ice cream box for October. I have nothing on. I'm going to use it. And at the end of the video, we'll see if my lip did get plump. Okay? Let's do this. It's a syringe. Now I have it on. I'll keep it on. And at the end of the video, when I wipe it off, we'll see if it did plump my lips. Very little bit of tingle. Very little bit of tingle. Remember this palette? Jackie Aina palette? I'm going to use the purple in there to create a spooky look for Halloween. I'll take the shade and put it in the crease and above. Today's encouraging word and I am says, my spiritual growth comes to me in ways I don't quite expect. My spiritual growth comes to me in ways I don't quite expect. Sometimes in life, things happen and we have no idea why. I'm going to use my white pencil. Why it happened, or even I'm going to put that on my lid. And to even wrap our brains around it and understand what is going on. And sometimes it is not for us to understand, but for us to feel and see what it is and then let it go. Sometimes it is stronger than we can manage and we need help from other people and our God. I'm going to use Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. And I'm going to use the orange in there, the one that we worship and praise. But like this says, our spiritual growth comes to us in ways that we don't quite expect. Because some of it is to push us to the next level. Some of it is to make us stand still where we are to learn and ground ourselves more. So when you are having an experience, ask yourself, what am I supposed to learn? Now I'm going into the Juvia's Place Honey palette. It's 4 colors in there. I'm going to use the honey color, which is like a yellow, and I'm going to put it over that orange in this moment right now. Sometimes we just need to cry. Sometimes we just need to put our head in a pillow and scream. Sometimes we just have to stand still and pray. Sometimes we just have to just sing praises. Want to make it more bold. And that's it. So again, remember, our spiritual growth. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Do not dim your light for another. Do not give up on yourself. If you need help, please, 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 I'm asking you to reach out to someone. Speak to someone. Talk to someone. Ask someone for help. In these trying times, it is not a time to hurt yourself or lose yourself, but it is a time to get to your community and reach out for help. We all can benefit from it always. Do not let shame hold you back. I know it is very, very hard to ask for help or reach out for help because you think if you do, you're weak. But please remember, only strong people ask for help. Only strong people who put shame aside, who put everything aside to ask for help. That makes you a strong person. And never, ever forget that. I want you to see my shirt. It says Queen of the Patch. I made this years ago and I just decide to put it on. It's been sitting in a drawer, but I don't make any t-shirts anymore, but that's what it says. Queen of the Patch. Today's eye look. Spooky eye look. This is my lip combo. Black Radiance, Wet n Wild. I use this purple right here from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette with Jackie Aina. This is an old school. I use the orange in the Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. I use this honey color right here from Juvia's Place palette. Tell me what you think of this look in the comment. Happy Halloween! I love this. Until I see you and you see me, I ask you, if you need help, please reach out to somebody. Reach out. And if you need to cry, cry. You will feel better at the end because you're taking out all the impurities through your tears and you will feel better. I love you always. And I want you to always know that you belong. You belong. And you are loved and you are enough. Bye, spooky. Oh, that injection, I don't know if it did something to my lips. It did moisturize, it did tingle for a little while, but it didn't burn as much as I thought. After a while, the tingling disappeared and I forgot I had it on. So I wipe it off and I did my lip combo. I like it. Let me stop. Bye, you all. Bye.